So we are going to solve this problem, limit problem. It is in the form infinity minus infinity, and we want to solve it with the help of, I will use L'Hopital rule. So as you know कि unless it is in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, we cannot use L'Hopital rule. So firstly we will change this from this form to either of the form. So how to change it? So let us simplify it first. Now check, now put 0. So we are getting 0 by 0 form. It's okay now. I am multiplying and dividing numerator and denominator by x. So I have multiplied numerator as well as denominator by x. So here we have x square. Now look, limit x approaching to 0. This thing will approach to what? This is 1. Limit x approaching to 0, x upon sin x is 1. So we can remove this part. So simply we have this sin x minus x upon x square. Now it is in the form 0 by 0. So now apply L'Hopital rule. So in the L'Hopital rule, what we need to do? We have to differentiate numerator and denominator individually, separately. So limit x approaching to 0, sin का क्या होगा cos x, x का 1 upon 2x. Now again put x equal to 0. So again we are getting 0 by 0. So we will keep repeating the same process until we get some finite number. So we will again differentiate this. Now put the value. So what we are getting? So finally we are getting 0 as the answer. So here I have explained how to change infinity minus infinity form into 0 by 0 form. Then I have applied this, and then I have applied L'Hopital rule. So do like, share and subscribe and comment as well.